function related to date and time. Let's take it to take today's date. We are having predefined functions. Enter. Then we can write today. You get a today's date. And to get a date and time, I'll do have a time now function with us, which help me to get a current date and time of system. So let me write the parallelly the function which we are using in beside of this outcome. When I'm just removing this just to avoid the distraction in that video. So let me take an example of I'm having buying days, buying date, and I'll say support available till. So buying date I'll say March 2020, and say support is till up to March 20. That's it. 1 month support is there. So for from these two values, let me have some other values extracted from the location. Say I'll say if I am to extract a month, you do have option of getting month method, which you can call from the value. Same day is there extracting. Then parallelly year is also there. Then similarly weekday is there 1 to 7. Next we are having getting working days output. So we are in working days extraction two parts. First we consider Saturday Sunday being off. So then we exclude Saturday Sunday from the list, from the range of the date, and we get the working days. That's the first case. Network days, also start date and end date. So I'm having 22 working days if I exclude Saturday Sunday. So working days with holidays, with excluding holidays, you can say, with after holidays. So in that case, let me have one list of holidays with me. Holiday, I'll say 3rd of March is holiday for me, and 16th of March is also holiday for me. I'm having 2 holidays in this range. But these 2 also be excluded network day. So I'll say this is my start date, is my end date, and I'll say 2 holidays are there which I have to refer. That's it. So it will be reduced to 20. Next, Saturday Sunday is not off in my organization. In most of the cases, teams are not. So we generally have different working days, week offs, you can say, depending on requirements. So I can take a call of a new one which is available in Excel. Working days with different week offs. For that, I say network days, INTL, as a date, and date, comma. Now I do have option of plenty of things. I say Sunday is only off for me, so I'll say double click on Sunday, or you can click. So if I take Sunday on, I would be having 26 days as working, which was 1 days. So if you want to exclude the holidays also, same feature is also available. After holidays, let me wrap it. So I'm calling function to network days dot intl. So start date, end date, I'm saying Sunday is off and holiday list is this much. So I'm having 24 working days if I exclude my next. If I say if I'm having values in different parts, let's say I'm having day separate, separate, and year separate, and I want to create a of date. So which we can do it in method of date, where we have to specify year first, then we have to specify month, then we suppose if I say 21 March 2020, you see it gives me calculated dates. Even though format can be changed, if you click here or you can right click format cell, and you can have format this or this, depending on the case you can take your call. This is a recommended format which is generally available for most of the organizations. So let me write down the function in beside of this all calculations which we did. This is day, this is year, this is weekday, then I say network days with holidays. Oh, sorry, escape, then with holidays. These are the function which is commonly used for extracting your date values from your date time. Even though you can go for adding dates and other things are there, but primarily basic terminology if you go about, these are the basic functions for date which we use to extract the date value from date column.